for the first time, 2 fingerprints are entered into the tutorial. First, get this lock. It's a factory model. Any finger can open it, and the blue light is on. We entered 2 fingerprints for the first time. The operation is as follows. Long press the fingerprint head. The blue light is on, and don't move until the blue and white lights come on. Lift and press fingerprints. Multi-angle rotation, press. Until the green light comes on. The first entry is completed. Now enter the second one. Also by fingerprint, multi-angle until the green light comes on. 2 fingerprints were successfully entered. Now the green light is displayed when unlocking. The one that has not been entered into the finger cannot be opened. The operation is complete. At other fingerprint operation tutorials, we use the fingerprint we have entered to unlock. Don't move your fingers after unlocking. Don't move your fingers when the blue light comes on. We enter other additional fingerprints. Multi-angle entry until the green light comes on. Okay, the new fingerprint is successfully entered. Other fingerprints cannot open the lock. Restore to the factory settings. The operation is as follows. Use the finger of the entered fingerprint to press the fingerprint head and do not move. Don't move after unlocking. Long press. Don't move. Don't move. You can't release your fingers until the red light comes on. Don't move the white light. Release your fingers. The green light goes on. Factory reset was successful. Now any fingerprint can be opened. After turning it on, the blue light indicates that the factory reset was successful.